Hi everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. You've got a bit of a strange angle going on my video. I've probably got a bullseye or something on that. But anyway, you've got a different side of the side you don't normally see of my little studio room. So today is Critique Day. The painting you're about to see, I'd love it if you would critique it again. The last one seemed to be quite successful as a video, so I'm trying it again. Me, personally, on the painting you're going to see, I have this really sort of like I love it, and then it slides to, you know, I'm not sure. I think there's a story in this painting, but it's the story that you put there. So don't forget, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either one works. The YouTube algorithm eats both of them. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. Without further ado, let's go and have a look at it. So, quick explanation of what I'm doing. I decided that I wanted to swipe from a flooded part of the canvas onto a dry part of the canvas. So that's what I'm going to do. It's an interesting experiment on my part because I didn't know whether when I came through down off the flooded bit of the canvas onto the dry bit of the canvas, the fact that I'd gone through the flooded bit and I'd picked up some paint, it would carry it all the way through, as opposed to if you swipe on a completely dry canvas, as you've seen me do before, you do get the drag effect. Let's see what happens. So as you can see, initially when you do the first couple of swipes, coming from a flooded part of the canvas to a non-flooded part,
actually doesn't make that much difference. You don't pick up that much paint as you go along, and you still get the dragging effect. That was interesting.
Shore. It was calling me aboard, and as I climbed inside, I saw you sitting there. In a daydream, you were lost, but you saw me through the fog. Tried to hide behind your paper and your pen, but you laughed instead.
So, as you would expect, the more paint I added to swipe with, the further the paint went down the canvas and covered in the dry base. So eventually couldn't really tell which bits had been flooded and which bits hadn't. It didn't really look any different. It felt different, obviously, when I was swiping it, but I don't think that looking at the dried painting, if you hadn't seen it being done, I don't think you'd notice it that much. But let me know what you think down in the comments below.
You smile, I was lost. When you motioned me to talk, I couldn't mute the conversation in my head. But I think I said, It was calling me a boy.